everyone that when it comes to resting, let's not impose our definition of rest to others. What do I mean? Ang parents ko, kapag sabi kong pagod na ako, ang kanilang reklamo is, di ka kasi natutulog lagi. Matulog ka lang, take a nap, take a sleep. I will, but that's not the only way I relax and I get rest. What are the other types of rest? Rest can be spiritual rest. What is the definition of rest? It's the abandonment of worry and stress. And it doesn't have to be in a horizontal sleeping position. So spiritual rest is meditating, praying, for example. We also have what we call as the social rest. Being with your family and loved ones or friends. You feel relaxed. Tumataas ang iyong oxytocin level. Tumataas ang iyong endorphin level. Sensory rest. You turn off your smartphone because you don't like too many notifications on your smartphone. Right? Silent mode. Emotional rest is the ability to feel safe that it's okay to say no. Sorry, I can't attend that tonight. Sorry, I can't be part of that. Sorry, I can't lend you money for tonight. Okay? That's also emotional rest. Or also, my favorite, this one works for me best, we have what we call creative rest. Painting, singing, watching. Everything that makes you feel that you are accomplishing something that is new. This is rest. Okay? And let's be mindful. Let's not impose that your rest works for the other person. Kanya-kanya po tayong definition ng rest. What works for you may not work for others as well.